प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स बेसिकली जो इश्यू जाल्लो आसा चिखली गांवांत माटवे दाबोली इलेक्शन ऑफ पंचायत तो इलेक्शन जाले आनी एक तरणाटे The issue is basically regarding the unfortunate incident that happened in Dabolim, Matve Dabolim, wherein a young lady, a budding young girl called Stephanie Lucas, she was declared unopposed to the panchayat. The elections were not fought on party lines. And jenna they declared unopposed, there were attempts made by some goons from the BJP to force her to say that she belongs to the BJP and she belongs to the Panchayat Minister Shri Movin Gudino. We highly condemn this, and also the incident wherein the BJP goons ते चेडवाच्या घरान पावले after she was declared elected unopposed and ताका threaten केले, ताच्या फॅमिलीकूय threaten केली that she has to say that she belongs to the BJP and to Movin Gudino. This is not done and we will not allow this. As Goincho Awaz, we will raise the matter. We will go to any extent to protect this girl and her family and any such people across Goa. Time आयल्लो आसा हे जे गुंडागिरी चलतले ते आता आमी बंद करपाचो टाइम आयला. And if the police do not take cognizance and file an FIR because it seems they are delaying under pressure. कोणाचो pressure तो आमकां खबर आसा. We will take legal remedies and give justice to the girl. जेन्ना आमी लोकां कडेन उलयले, आमी पावले थंयसर, तेन्ना लोकांनी सांगले that the person who led these 4-5 people and threatened was the OSD to Mr. Movin Gudino, Shri Ligorio Montero. And he has been caught on camera.
There was a scuffle in the same night at San Jacinto Island.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about it?
In fact, ये jenna incident zale when Mr. Ligorio Montero and his companions threatened the girl and her family. Incidentally, the girl belongs to the ST community and it is a huge offense. Now, when Father Bolmex reached there, when that girl gave a call and other villagers, he reached there, he calmed down the situation. Despite being threatened and abused by Mr. Ligorio, which is on camera, he calmed down, everybody dispersed, and रातचे around 9:30 आमकां calls आयले from São Jacinto Island that one of the youth, Mr. Matthew D'Souza, who is a member of the Chikali Youth Farmers Club, got calls from unknown numbers where the true callers showed that one was Liel Montero, other one was Liam Montero, and both turned out to be the sons of Mr. Ligorio Montero. So they threatened Matthew D'Souza that they will finish him off in front of his parents. So that complaint has been filed with the Vasco police, and the Vasco police seems to be dilly-dallying in filing an FIR. So there is a message for the Vasco police that we will knock on every door available to ensure that justice is given to the girl.